Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen, and today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good vegetable casserole, cheesy with fried onions on top. Delicious. Follow along with me, and I will show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to add some okra. I done fried it in the saucepan a few minutes ago. And we're going to add a little bit of olive oil on this. Okay, we're going to add some carrots to this. Okay, I wanted to add a little bit of onions to this. Chopped up. That'll spice the flavor up. Okay. We'll come back. Okay, we're going to melt this butter in with this, give it a taste. We'll come back in a little bit. Kind of stir this in. Yeah, like that. So you can see it better. Okay. Okay, don't add too much spices, but we're going to add some paprika for some color and some for flavor. We're going to add some black pepper, because that's always good to add. Okay, then we're just going to mix this together real good. Oh yeah, that's looking real good. Come back in a minute. Okay, we're going to finish it in the oven. I put some cheese on it, some cheddar cheese with some crispy fried onions. And we're going to put this right into the oven and let it melt. And it's going to be good when we come back. Okay, welcome back. We just pull this out of the oven. Now look how delicious that looks. We're going to have to dip us a little bit of this. It's got some cheese on top with the crusty fried onions with the vegetables, carrots, okra. We're going to come back and take a test on this. Okay, we're going to do a test on this. We got our both cheese in here, cheddar and mozzarella cheese. It's very delicious. Look at that. It looks delicious. Look at that, the onion gives it a crisp taste. I love them carrots, the glazed and everything. A little hot, but very delicious. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you ain't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, and don't hit the notification bell. And I will see you next time.